Hello there, you beautiful people, and welcome to this section review of the logic section of the course. Now, I'm sure you'll agree that what we've gone over has probably just been a game changer in your ability to program in Python. So let's take a step back and have a look at what we learned. So first of all, we started looking at what booleans were, and we learned that they're a data type in their own right, and they have one of two values. They can either be true or false. And the way that we tend to get booleans is by using what are called comparison operators. So comparison operators compare several pieces of data, and if the comparison about them is true, you're going to get a true boolean, and if the comparison about them is false, you're going to get a false boolean. So comparison operators are like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Now, the one thing that you've got to bear in mind is when you check whether two numbers are equal, make sure to use the equality operator, which is two equals symbols, rather than the normal one equals symbol, which you use as the assignment operator. Okay, so after that, we had a look at if statements. Now, if statements are the way that you can tell Python to run certain pieces of code or not, depending upon the case. So if statements basically each have a condition, and if that condition is true, or using some comparison operator, then the code will run. If it's not, then it won't run. And you learnt about how to use the else if to check for another condition, or how to use else as a catch-all for every other possible opportunity. Then we moved on to how to combine together multiple different conditions to make one big condition by using logical operators. In here we learnt about the not condition, which basically reverses what the condition would be otherwise. So not true would end up being false, and not false would end up being true. You also learnt about the and condition, which only works if two inputs to the and are both true. And you learnt about the or condition, where if any of the inputs to the or condition are true, the output will finally be true. So as a quick summary, if you understood all of that and you're feeling comfortable with all of that, then brilliant. You're definitely ready to move on to the next section of the course, which is about data structures. So data structures are pretty much a way in Python to combine together pieces of information into one nice, easy to use place. So I won't spoil it for now, but I'll see you in the next section where we're going to be learning all about data structures. So I'll see you in the next video.